Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the basics. Pick a focused niche and confirm audience demand so your links will convert. Once done, create the platform you'll publish on, blog, channel, or social, and set up essential pages like About and Privacy. Register accounts with major affiliate networks and marketplaces. You usually need ID, tax details, and a payout method. Make sure to document login credentials securely, because early access speeds up approval and lets you grab links immediately. Now you apply to networks and individual merchant programs. Write concise, honest applications highlighting traffic and promotion plans so approvals come faster. Once approved, generate affiliate links and add tracking ID or UTM parameters so you can measure clicks and conversions. Then integrate links into content, product reviews, how-to guides, and listicles, and use natural call to actions. Make sure to test links across devices. If using link cloakers or plugins, configure redirect types and confirm they preserve tracking. Finally, launch and promote consistently. Drive targeted traffic with SEO, email ads, and social outreach to get clicks and test offers quickly. Monitor key metrics, CTR, conversion rate, EPC, and revenue, then optimize headlines, placements, and creatives to raise performance. If you see missing commissions, first confirm the clicked affiliate link matched the product and that cookies were set. Then contact affiliate support with timestamps. And if links break, replace or reroute them immediately to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.